truth. My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Zion and Chinwe fight don make Zion handler for Twitter dey like shady tweets about Chinwe, and also the double K wey be say be the married couple of the season, Fairme don set them up. And lastly, Topher and Onyeka they don fight. So as we all know, or for those wey be say no know, Chinwe, according to her, na she and I pay their flight trip to the Big Brother house. Now she sponsor everything. As a matter of fact, now she booked them the slot to enter into the Big Brother show. Zion not pay 1 naira according to her. Thing wey be say the verse her wey make her come dey expose her man like that, na because Zion threatened to break up with her. Now remember say Zion don't bring this suggestion to say make Chinwe try dey mingle with other housemates so that e no go be say na only two of them that they always dey all the time. That thing come vex her. She come start to dey distance herself, but Zion na not send her. Now that thing I con dey vex her. According to her, she say immediately they enter into the Big Brother house, Zion sideline her, go dey follow other housemates. They give her plenty stories. And from wetin we don hear for outside the house so far, e turn out say Chinwe, she's a very rich babe. I don go through her IG story, her IG page, and I don see to say the girl she hold back. Because of the way where Zion treat her, she can't tell Big Brother say she won't come up from the Big Brother house. She dey take voluntary exit. When Zion come hear the thing to say babe wey be say yana come into the house together, won't take voluntary exit. Think they tell they talk to himself loud, maybe hear to say if Chinwe won't come out, she go come out on her own. Now remember to say when the show start, Big Brother talk to say they go dey come out in pairs since they are still paired. So if Chinwe they take voluntary exit, that means Zion go gas follow her, pack e load, they will go back house. So with the drama we say they go on between the both of them, Zion handler for Twitter in they like shady tweets where be say people they insult Chinwe online. Next tweet where be say Zion handler like the person say make she dey yarn dust abeg. We dey for Zion, make she go control her papa oil and gas. That one say good guy, great potential, wrong partner, it is well. We know they sabi control her emotions. Now wetin I don't notice about her, if she just they try to control the things wey be say she dey talk, e go help her a lot. You know say most times when two people they argue or when two people they get misunderstanding, the things wey be say you talk come out from your mouth, you don't know how hurtful and how painful it is. If Zion come out of the house now, yeah, the kind things wey be say Chinwe don't talk about her for the show, e no go make sense to the guy. It means the relationship don't break with that. So make we see how fans react after Zion handler come out to come like the tweet where be say they insult Chinwe. This person here saying, low key, I don't believe I'm supporting Chinwe. Threatening your babe will break up because of stranger is hectic to me. You know she's problematic and you still put body. Sorry, Zion. I say Big Brother knows what he is doing, because what is that song? He don't cast as how. The last person said this babe talks too much for my liking. What the F? I don't know what I will call Zion sugar boy or toy boy, because at the way Chinwe just they treat the boy, the thing just be like Adekunle and Venita. To me, I dey hope say two of them no come up for the house, because I still want to see more of Chinwe drama. So onto the double K where we say be Cassia and Kelly Ray, where we say we our married couple. So they call their Kelly, so make he kiss Cassia. From what we know to say the married couples that they claim to be besties inside the house, but now only us where we say the viewers now know say two of them don't actually they married. The housemates, some of them don't they suspect say something they go on between the both of them because of the way the wife they always they clingy to the husband. So they call their Kelly to kiss Cassia. So instead of him to kiss her, he can say he go drink instead of kissing his wife. For me, I think the married couple they mean business. They don't want any distraction. Everyone big tell them say they hug each other for inside the room. They refuse to. Fairme, it's like Fairme go be the weapon fashion against this married couple. Honestly, I do very happy to say Kelly Ray not fall for that prank, not fall for that trap, because Cassia she for chop her husband lip for there for front of everybody, forgetting to say they actually they play a game. If there's one strong contender for this season, I dey see this double K as one of the strong contenders, and I dey see Shatoria ship too, even though say Vicky na stone for inside the Big Brother house, and I dey see Wani and Handy, maybe say be twins, two of them they very strong too. And who else I want even call say for BCC they try, Nelly they try, Topher they try. So those are just the few people where we say I know to say they get strong leg outside the house. Anyway, me for one, I dey root for the married couple because I admire their relationship. Onto the fight wey we say happen between Onyeka and Topher today, the thing na something wey be say no even get head, but Topher take the thing personal. Wetin happen be say Onyeka, Handy and Wani and Sean dey inside kitchen, dey cook food when Topher waka into the place, and him come dey ask how many people dey involved in the cooking of the food. When he come outside, he wear this girl bonnet for her head, Anita bonnet. From wetin we don see so far, Topher dey show interest for Anita since Anita wey be say be the beauty queen, and e seem as if the ship don dey sail. So him wear her bonnet enter into the kitchen take dey ask them that type of thing. So the Wani, Onyeka and the rest of them come just use the thing dey joke. They come like say imagine him wear Anita bonnet for head, come dey beg for food. Continue to dey tease the guy with the thing, dey tease am with the relationship with Anita, how dey wear her clothes and all of that. At first the thing na laughter, but the thing come start to dey irritate Topher. The truth be say Topher come to beg food for Anita, and for wetin we know, Anita na girl wey be say she no like cooking. According to wetin she talk, she say she does not like cooking, and Topher wey be say be the guy, talk say he love her just like that. He say all he wants to do is to be looking at her face, make she no cook for am, say he just dey happy seeing her. Some men dey like that, so they come dey use that thing dey tease the guy, dey use am take dey throw shade at Anita. So Topher come dey try to stand up for a girlfriend wey be say be Anita, and Such too wey be say be Nelly sheep, him too dey try to stand up for a woman against those people wey be say dey use am take dey joke. And that thing na cause problem between them, but eventually they come settle. As that thing dey sup, fans dey react online. So some of the reactions wey we say come up from that conversation. So the first person here say Such and Topher did not like the joke because it was about Nelly and Anita. They stood up for them, which is very good to me. And that one can say, I don't know why they expect Nelita to go to the kitchen and cook for the guys. Like, are they babies or their husbands? We ladies sometimes are the reason why guys misbehave. See Wani and Chinwe already taking care of the boys. Like, that's what we keep them and make the guys love them. It is not. Meanwhile, you don't need to do all that to keep a man. Thank God Nelita Pair knows that. Anything wey be say work for anybody, to me, anything wey work for anybody. Some men, they don't really care whether you do anything for them. They go appreciate the way be say you do some. Even if you do heaven and earth, it just doesn't work out. So everybody and their preference. And that one can say Topher, I won't have been upset if it was just Onyeka indication, but the fact that people were there, come put emoji where keep hand for face. The last person can say some people are just forcing content this season, and the content is not seasoning. This particular season they very boring. If those of you know they watch Big Brother right from Big Brother Africa, you go see say the ratings for this year they very low. That now because a lot of people not put interest. The housemates are so boring. I don't know what they do for there. More not get me wrong. Not beside they expect us they go to fight every day, but at least Victoria need to slap Ninja so that we will start from there. She's not doing anything. She's not giving us any content. Everybody just they boring. They just carry sheep for head like gala come this season. Like Big Brother really fall our hand though. DSTV and Ghost TV don't they expensive. Even Showmas don't they expensive. Person come manage subscribe this period where things hard. They can carry this thing. They give person make person watch. She's very unfair to me. Nelly and Anita, most especially Nelly, they don't suffer well for this housemate hand. I don't understand what to be the problem. Why everybody they point fingers at them, they drop side comment, they always use and not be their fault say that they be the most beautiful for the house. Apart from Cassia and Victoria, if they talk of the most beautiful, we go they count Cassia, Victoria, Nelly, and Anita. Well, eventually, if Biggie to say go compare those people, maybe we go see the drama where we say we dey wait for. But for now, we go manage what we see. Una take care, una bye.